My product designer just shipped a front-end change without writing a single line of code. Let me show you how we got here. Here is what our AI coding workflow looks like in practice. In our AI coding Slack channel, our designer uses Spuree AI Coder, which is connected to OpenClaw. Then asks it to update the search UI for our Spuree web app. And the bot automatically create a linear ticket, opens a PR, and spin up the preview environment. The goal is to let designers like Zen make UI changes themselves without consistently pulling in the engineering team. And then Zen clicks the preview link to review and verify the changes in our dev environment. I'm Steven Asbury. A few months ago, I installed OpenClaw on a 2018 Mac Mini, a gift from a friend. It took just one line to install. I named it Chump. Like onboarding a new employee, I started by teaching it my workflow step by step, how I review PRs, how I track tickets, and how I keep up with tech blocks. Once it learned the process, I turned that workflow into reusable skill. The skill I am most proud of is my coding workflow. I call it claude-code-pr. It starts with a linear ticket, creates a Git word tree, spin up a sub-agent running Cloud Code, and then creates a PR on GitHub with the preview environment. I can test directly, code anywhere, and validate anywhere. But that's just one skill. Charm also run cron jobs throughout the day. A morning AI digest, Hacker News summarize, tech blog monitoring, PR review notifications, and YouTube video summarization, all automated. After a new month, Chat becomes a real soul partner for me. It helps with everything from company strategies and sprint planning to feature specs and quarterly reviews. Then I realized it was living in a 6 years old Mac Mini without an easy backup, without a smooth way to share it with my team, and without a good way for others to comment on, iterate on the work. Here's where it gets interesting. I wanted my whole teams to have those workflows. We use Slack and AWS. So I back up everything, memory, skills, cron jobs, all of it, and upload it to backup to Spuree. Then I spun up EC2 instance, downloaded the backup, and restore it. It has to adjust a few file paths between Mac and Linux. Connected to Slack, Spuree AI Coder was built. At Spuree, we built a storage platform with APIs, and I realized it could also become the home for agent output. Agents output finally has a home, searchable, shareable, and backed up. So I gave chunk file management skills now when I create something important, like a strategy doc or a spec. It uploads to Spuree. Automatically, I gave a link, share it with my team. They comment on it, and then I ask the agents to create a next version based on their feedback. Here is what I have learned managing a team in the AI era. The gap between product design and engineering gets smaller, but only if you give your agent a proper setup, a place to store their memory, back up their skills, and share their output with the team. That's what we are building at Spuree. If you are interested, sign up at spuree.com waitlist. We are sharing the skills and help you get started.